All right, Sany Sy35U, 2022 model, 100-hour service that they require. Hydraulic fluid return filter, which seems a little excessive, but that's what they call for, and I want to stick with that so I can not void my warranty. So just went to the dealer today, picked up the filter. That's it. It's like $85 after tax. This is the one that has the return filter in it. Pressure released. So you take that cap off, and you press down that button to release the pressure. And then 4 13 millimeters there. It's going to clean this up a little bit more, and I'll get cracking these bolts loose and then going from there. I should probably get some rags and stuff before I start getting crazy here. I'm not cracking all loose. They are a little tight there. And then this one. So I'm going to take these two out. Being very careful not to get any crap down there. Now, put these somewhere halfway safe. Now, this is where we're going to apply some pressure so the spring doesn't mess with me too bad. Okay, I think these are finger tight now. Let's see. Yep. Once again, get all this mess there. Cover these holes. I did wipe it down quite a couple of times, but dirt keeps coming around. I'll take this one out first. It's harder to get to. Probably can't see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, there is spring pressure, that's for sure. And one more. Okay. All right, there. Let's get a rag ready, maybe two. Get this box open. Let's see if I can do this without throwing it. I don't see why I need to use this new spring. I'm gonna slightly open this up. Check it out. Looks like, I don't know, maybe I'll just replace it all. Screw it. Okay, I'm gonna lift out this the old one first. See what I'm working with. Stay there. Just try not to make a mess. Okay, I'm trying here. Okay, just a steel plate. Write that down. Oh, what's about there? So there's a spring. Okay, it's gooey in there. I need to get this. So this comes off first. Let that drip. Now this is only 100 hours, so it looks like it's still pretty clean. Just don't want to get any crap in there. There is an O-ring here. I'm sure it's going to be fine for this change. It did not come with new O-ring. I'm going to pull it straight up. That's not feeling very easy. Okay. Huh. Okay, a little bit of wiggling and pulling. Just pulling it out. I think I'll just stick that in the box. Bottom looks like it's got an O-ring of some sort. I'm gonna set that down in there. Looks just like the one I pulled out, so let's say go for it. I'm gonna set it down there to start with. Then I gotta look at the bottom of this one real quick, make sure. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna put it in this plastic bag. Put it back in this. And then I think I will just use the original one. But first I gotta get this to slide onto its thing. It's gonna be, oh there, it feels like it just slid in there into its spot. Make sure this doesn't have anything on it. Looks good. Simple. Put that there. Looks good. Just face it the way it was facing. Center of the spring. Okay, I think we'll start with this one. Okay, got that one started. Grab another bolt. Line that up. Yeah, 100 hours seems short for. Keep going. Got the two. Finger tight. I'll put some pressure on this and let's get them all as tight as I can with my fingers. Don't want to mess up the threads at all. Slippery, slippery. Okay. Okay, I'll tighten these up. See if I do two across from each other so it comes down even. Just not real tight, but just snug. Get this one back here. Now they're all snug. I'm gonna go around, I'll snug them up again. Let's see. I'll get to work. Okay. Click, click, click. Okay. That's about good. They're pretty tight on the factory, so grab the torque wrench here a second. Not that I don't really know the torque offhand. I have to look that up. I think it was like 45, I want to say. I'll double check that. Make sure it's torqued correctly before I go any further, or before I fire it up. Okay. But the Sany manuals aren't very good with that torque information anyways. Main thing is to get that O-ring to seal, which I'm pretty sure it's gotta be sealed. I'm gonna torque this real quick, and then it said to run it for like 10 minutes without using any hydraulics. Not sure, it probably gets all the air out of the new filter. Lets the new filter probably self-bleed after about 10 minutes is how that goes. I didn't see anything about relieving any pressure afterwards, but I might do that. I don't think it's necessary. Yeah, so I mean, pretty much just straightforward. Or straight down, but I didn't use the new spring. I think that's it. I'm gonna let it sit here for a good 10 minutes or so, and then I'll let it run for 10 minutes and check for leaks. We'll see how it goes. And I just went ahead and torqued it at 45 foot-pounds. It seems nice and snug. That's should be good. Just wanted to give anyone the Sany part number. I know there's aftermarket filters, multiple brands. All right, it's running. It's a little loud. I have the compartment open. No leaks.